Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that affects us all, overthinking. You know those moments when your mind just won't quit, and you find yourself stuck in a loop of worrying and stressing over every little thing? Well, guess what? You're not alone, and there are some super effective ways to tackle this pesky problem. First up, we've got mindfulness. It's all about bringing your focus back to the present moment, helping you let go of those racing thoughts and find peace in the here and now. Then, we've got the power of positive thinking. Challenge those negative thoughts, folks. Question their validity and replace them with more realistic and positive ones. And hey, here's a game changer. Set limits on your worrying. Yeah, you heard me right. Designate specific times of the day to address your worries, and outside of those times, let them go. Oh, and don't forget to indulge in some good old self-care. Engage in activities that bring you joy, whether it's painting, hiking, or binging your favorite TV show. Distractions can work wonders. And of course, let's not overlook the power of relaxation techniques. Deep breathing, meditation, you name it. These practices can help calm your mind and reduce stress. Lastly, remember that it's okay to reach out for support. Talk to a friend, family member, or therapist about your concerns. Sometimes, a fresh perspective is all you need to break free from overthinking. So there you have it, folks. With a little mindfulness, positive thinking, and self-care, you can kick overthinking to the curb and reclaim control of your mind. Ready to give it a try? Let's dive in together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on living your best life.